ene wo Asante mantemu Dr. Frank Amoakohene ene dai wabana nanu Mozambique fo bo dwa nyagro odinani monyam kota akire na dwumadie na ase no ene abusuafo nya asampeto akora oba Facebook ye na kofa de no wo chese ofa no pa nya asampeto Dr. Frank Amoakohene wa ya de wa no ane se na wonim de pa nya de abomu se kosoafo wa Asante mantem ne sansa na kofa de no woni se kigina ho a nsunsu ye bia ne ho a ewombo na Dr. Frank Amoakohene kasem no no wode atudwa asre na nan Mozambique fo wo memu so wobase pa won kwasoa so wobobo mpaye asre asmudue ne oman no enkabomu na timi aboa ama abana ni swade hunu a wode apri empuntuo ne yeyo ede ama asanteman ene ewiasa fana nyina no atimi edi mum wofa sa akonya no so ede omanpani John Dramani Mahama ni tinimupo ne ni swade hunu soronko anei wode egu akoma ebebo na nan Mozambique fo a ewo Asante mantemu.
His Excellency the President is happy and glad and extends his felicitation for a very peaceful and successful 8th period, and wants to thank Almighty Allah for his blessings and the unity that he bestowed upon the Republic of Ghana and the peace that we enjoy here in the Republic of Ghana, and also for the blessings of Allah that has reflected in every facet of our local economy and the good news we have received so far with regards to the development of Ghana. His Excellency the President, in the past few months that he has taken over, has had the Muslim community at heart and has taken some key intervention steps in making sure that we serve as for both our worship and also be able to facilitate all that is needed for our development. So I remember our previous gathering, I mentioned that the President and the government has made all plans and efforts to making sure they assist our sisters, our brothers, and mothers who want to go to Hajj to become alive and become Hajj bearers. And rightly so, that provision was made. We made sure we reach the fair and also made sure we made passport amendments among others in making sure we facilitate that.
Asante mantemu swafo Dr. Frank Amoakohene na busuafo yekwa ekotie neneno na wadwabo na se no ene otumfo sumankwahene baafo asabre koja wasu ababi wotoso miensa wono ne kosi Asante manyina awura otumfo osetutu otoso mienu na nemu na ne kasa mu no ane wobo Asante mantem swafo Dr. Frank Amoakohene abaso pa se wo ba ye enche na nso enyema wo ye de bo Asante man no eyade eso nipa na ejanka wo da se anopa no wo se anwumre de etu wonkoso a emwa no wonsom Asante man na eno akire no wo se na nanu Mozambique fo wo memu se wo ba se pa wonkoso an won pri enso asomdwe sanse wo man asomdwe wo mu no empuntuo ebem
MC Sese Antonio Sese apa yang lebih baik di Imam Sawi Nana Aibawai Nana Mampu aku ini kita biasa asal sampai yang kami dibuat apa ini ini siapa ini unmujud sopai ini kasih sekali kan siapa ini masih musim wah musim ente nak umat umat kalah asal mau besar kebawah ini ya terus menunggu yang mau ini kayak kalau siapa itu rasa kalau mau siapa você me cantou a harmonia entre esse a harmonia já é nossa vida.
Anya yekwa ekotie ye otumfo sumankwahene baafo asabre koja wasu ababia wa wotoso miensa ane yete nini yeda so agyinamu ye nanan Mozambique fo eye edel adha afase enede wode asesa